the folks that I work with across country, it's the realtor that has that strong likability factor. I think because they are able to get some form of information out of that person, the listing agent, and I think also the experience in translating and interpreting secret code, like, oh, wink wink, we can't do this, but maybe if it was like this, and then you're like, okay, I understand what you're saying, and that I think that's the difference between a very good real estate agent and one that's kind of a little bit underperforming, is they have very strong intuition when speaking with a listing agent or the buying agent, but also just a very strong likability factor. And I think that's one of the things that buyers have to look out for. If they came to me, to a lender, and said, hey, do you have any realtors, or they asked me like, what's one of the reasons why you're preferring or referring somebody to me, and it's because it's like they're highly likable, and that's an asset. That's an asset. It's not a characteristic, because that person is representing you